Hello, I'm Francis Jeric Marquez from BS Biology 4A. I am here to discuss the structure and function of cell membrane. So, this is my prototype of cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as the plasma membrane or cytoplasmic membrane. It is a biological membrane that separate the interior of all cell from its outside environment and protect the cell from its environment. Its function is to transport nutrients into the cell and transport toxic substances out of the cell. So this is my prototype of cell membrane. Cell membrane is composed of phospholipid bilayer, which has two parts, the hydrophilic heads and the hydrophobic tails. Cell membrane is also composed of proteins, glycolipids, glycoproteins, integral proteins, and channel proteins. So let's proceed to their function. Protein, it serve a variety function such as junctions, enzymes, transport, recognition, anchorage, transduction. Junction serves to connect and join two cells together. Enzymes fixing two membranes localizes metabolic pathways. Transport responsible for facilitated diffusion and active transport. Recognition may function as markers for cellular identification. Anchorage, attachment point for cytoskeleton and extracellular matrix. Transduction, function as receptors for peptide hormones. So channel protein acts like a pore in the membrane that lets water molecules or small ions through quickly. The glycolipids acting as receptors be important for cell aggregation and dissociation and may be responsible for specific cellular contact and for signal transduction. The integral protein acting transporter, channels, linkers, receptors, protein involved in accumulation energy, and protein responsible for cell adhesion. Hydrophilic heads contacts the watery fluid both inside and outside the cell. Glycoproteins act in cell-to-cell recognition and binding of other molecules. Hydrophobic tails interact with other nonpolar molecules, but they interact poorly with water. So, all in all, phospholipid bilayer consisting of embedded proteins permeable to ions and organic molecules and regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cells.